In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Buddy Punch to QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing a team or tracking your own hours, combining these two tools can streamline your workflow and save you valuable time. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Here, you'll find an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on it. This area of QuickBooks is essentially the gateway to integrating various applications that can enhance the functionality of your QuickBooks experience. Once you're on the Apps page, you'll notice a tab at the top labeled Find Apps. This is your next destination. Click on the Find Apps tab to proceed. This section is designed as a marketplace where you can search for a myriad of applications that can be connected with QuickBooks Online, each serving different purposes based on your needs. Now, with the marketplace in front of you, you'll want to use the search bar to look for Buddy Punch. Enter Buddy Punch into the search field. After typing it in, you should see Buddy Punch appear in the search results. Click on it to proceed to its specific app page. This page is quite important as it provides a detailed overview of Buddy Punch, highlighting what makes this application beneficial when used in conjunction with QuickBooks. You'll be able to see its features, understand its integration capabilities, and get a sense of how it can simplify the process of managing your team's time and attendance with QuickBooks. When you're ready to proceed, look to the top right of the app page where you'll find a button labeled Get App Now. This is the button you'll click to begin the authentication process and establish the connection between Buddy Punch and your QuickBooks Online. The system may prompt you to authorize this connection, and you should follow any additional instructions on the screen to complete this process. Once you've clicked Get App Now and followed any authorization prompts, you're all set. The connection between Buddy Punch and QuickBooks Online will now be established, allowing you to enjoy a seamless integration that can vastly improve the efficiency of your accounting and time tracking tasks. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully connected Buddy Punch to your QuickBooks Online account. With this integration in place, managing your payroll and time tracking becomes a more streamlined process, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. See you in the next video.